Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 8 chapter number 3, understanding the quadrilaterals. Now we are going to discuss the properties of special quadrilateral. In the previous lecture we had discussed the properties of parallelogram. Now we are going to discuss the properties of some other special quadrilaters, starting with the rhombus. Okay. So see, this is the figure of a rhombus. So rhombus is also a parallelogram. We can say that rhombus is also a parallelogram in which. Now we are going to discuss the properties of rhombus. Number 1, all the four sides are equal in measure. That is, all the four sides AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. This is the first property of rhombus. Again I am repeating, all the sides are equal. This is the first property. Second, opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. Opposite means angle A and angle C are opposite, angle B and angle D are opposite. So opposite angles of rhombus are equal. So A equals to C and B equals to D. Third property, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Bisect each other means dividing each other into equal parts. See, BD diagonal, AC diagonal. So BD and AC are bisecting each other. That is, OB equals to OD and OA equals to OC. The meaning of bisect is dividing into two equal parts. So the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. It means OB equals to OD and OA equals to OC. Next property, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. See, at this point, this O point, both are intersecting each other. So they are bisecting each other also. The point where both the diagonals are intersecting, at that point they are making a right angle. See, AC and BD, they both are intersecting each other, or we can say that they both are bisecting each other. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, these all angles are 90 degrees. So we can say that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these angles are 90 degree, or we can say that right angle. Next is rectangle. Again, rectangle is a parallelogram in which, see, this is the figure of a rectangle. Its first property is opposite sides are equal. Opposite side from PQ is SR and opposite side to PS is RQ. So the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Again I am repeating, rectangle is also a parallelogram in which first property, opposite sides are equal. PQ is equals to SR and PS is equals to RQ. This is the first property. Second, each angle of rectangle equals to 90 degree. See, angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. All the angles are 90 degrees, or we can say that right angles. Third, the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. See, what is the meaning of diagonal? The line which is joining this P and R and S to Q. These two lines are known as diagonals. So these diagonals are equal in length. That is, PR is equals to SQ. Next, the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. See, what is the meaning of bisect? OP is equals to OR and OS is equals to OQ. OP is equals to OR and OS is equals to OQ. So again I am repeating the properties of rectangle. Number 1, opposite sides are equal. All the angles are equals to 90 degree. Diagonals are equal, and the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, means OP is equals to OR and OS is equals to OQ. So these are the properties of rectangle.